What do you want to say? Are you blinking? What should we do today, buddy? It's Friday. You want to... What should we do?
Read corduroy.
Go get corduroy or read it.
It's right there.
All right. Can you read it?
Yeah.
Okay, you read it first.
And then I read it again, then you read it.
Yeah.
Dada,
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking about I read it, and then I read it again, then you read it.
Okay, you do it twice and then I do it.
Ooh. Corduroy.
Corduroy.
Ooh. Corduroy. Corduroy. Corduroy is a bear that lives in the apartment store. Day after day, he waited for someone to come and take him home. The apartment store was filled with toys, but no one wanted a bear in green overalls. Then a little girl came up. "Oh, Mommy," she said, "look, there's the bear I always wanted. Not today, I spent too much money." "Not today," said her mom. "I spent too much money." Sadly, the little girl sadly as they walked away.
And then what happened?
I didn't know I didn't know I lost a button. He said to himself, "Tomorrow I'll go tonight and tonight I'll go see if I can find it."
Good, buddy.
He searched. He carefully climbed down from his shelf and searched everywhere from the lost floor for his lost button. Suddenly he felt the floor moving under him. "Could this be a mountain?" he said. "I always wanted to climb a mountain." As he climbed onto a farm, and here is store. Before his eyes was an amazing store. Tables, chairs, and lamps and sofas, and rows of beds. "This must be a palace," he said. "I always wanted to live in a palace."
Good, buddy.
He crawled up and into a large car. He climbed up on a large big mad could all at once, "This must be a bed," he said. "I always wanted to sleep in a bed." Here he climbed a large big mattress. All at once he saw something round and white. "Well, here's my button," he said. He pulled hard with both paws until pop! Off came the button. And off the mattress corduroy top, bang, into a lamp.
Good, buddy.
Look at corduroy.
Over it fell with a crash.
Over it fell with a crash. But corduroy didn't know it. But there's someone else awake in the store. "No, who in the world No, who in the world did this? He explained. Someone should be hiding around here. All at once he saw two brown, fuzzy brown eagles. Well, how did you get upstairs? The night watchman took Corduroy down in his arms and put him on a shelf with all the animals and when Corduroy was awake, he saw the girl that he only seen the day before. I'm Lisa, she said, and then you're going to be my very own bear. Last time I spent a quarter in my team, I spent a quarter in my pinky button. And my mom says I can get you.
Good, buddy.
This elf lady.
Shall I put him?
The box lady said, should I put him in a box for you? No, thank you, said Lisa, as she carried Corduroy in her home in her arms. She walked up into her family's apartment and carried Corduroy home in her arms. I can't do the rest. Can you do the rest?
Yeah. Corduroy blinked.
Corduroy blinked.
There was a chair.
There was a chair and a little girl and the girl size bed just the right size for him. This must be home, he said. I always wanted a home. She set Corduroy on her lap and began to Lisa set Corduroy on her lap and began to sew a basket.
Good, buddy.
These must be a friend, said Corduroy. I always wanted a friend. Me too, said Lisa as she gave him a big hug.
Oh, that's good, buddy.
Now I will read it again.
Okay.